ChatGPT is a tool that can quickly become useful in your daily life. Even automating your work or making some extra money are opportunities. Have you noticed the discussion around ChatGPT as you scroll through social media and wondered what's all the hype? You're in luck if you're new to ChatGPT and looking for a place to start. This video will go over all the essentials. I'll go into what it is, how to set it up, and even how to use it for your advantage. Additionally, we'll give you a few awesome examples so you can see how effective it can be. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a type of artificial intelligence that allows users to interact with a virtual assistant. This technology is based on the principles of GPT-3, the third generation of the popular generative pre-trained transformer model. It's like always having access to your own personal AI assistant. It is a part of the much larger movement known as generative AI, in which computers can generate a wide range of content, including text, graphics, code, and other types of media. So how do we begin using ChatGPT? Go to OpenAI.com, which I'll leave in the description below, and click the sign up button to make an account. There isn't yet a mobile app, but that may change in the future. To use ChatGPT, simply type a prompt in the large text box and press enter. On the home page, you can click on some sample questions to get ideas if you're unsure of what to ask. Simply click on the prompt to explain quantum computing in simple words. ChatGPT will respond with an explanation, and you can continue the conversation by typing further prompts and pressing enter again. The quality of your prompts is the key to using this tool properly. The AI model will perform better the more precise and targeted they are, so experiment and find what works best for you. So, exactly how does ChatGPT operate? A vast amount of digital text that was taken from the internet was used to train ChatGPT. The system asked users to rate its responses as they tested it. The organization that created ChatGPT, OpenAI, performs research in the area of artificial intelligence with the declared intention of advancing and developing friendly AI in a way that helps all human beings. Before I go over how you can make money with ChatGPT, make sure you like this video and comment down below. Let me know, is ChatGPT a tool you'll be using? ChatGPT is a tool that can quickly become useful in your daily life. Even automating your work or making some extra money are opportunities. If you're currently looking for a job, one of the most time-consuming aspects of the job application process is creating a unique resume and cover letter for each position you apply for. Unfortunately, you can't just create one copy for each job. ChatGPT is one of the quickest ways to create an online resume. It can reduce the burden of customizing each resume for each job posting in a matter of seconds. We asked ChatGPT to write a resume for a customer service job application, and this is a portion of what they came up with. We also asked it to write a cover letter for a position as a web developer at a startup. Using ChatGPT to create material for social media or other online platforms is another option to earn money. There are countless uses for it, like writing blog posts, creating Instagram captions, designing Facebook advertising, and scripting YouTube videos. This is a great tool to help you quickly create high-quality content, whether you're your business trying to create interesting content or a freelancer searching for new clients. Lastly, you can earn money by writing, debugging, and explaining code. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or a newcomer, you're bound to encounter a few bugs in your code from time to time. ChatGPT can assist you in narrowing down the problem within your code, potentially saving you hours of having to search for a misplaced comma. You can also start from scratch and write entire blocks of functional code snippets. Deploying ChatGPT code to a production server, on the other hand, may not be the best idea. Check it out. We asked it to find a bug in JavaScript code. These are just a few of the impressive things you can do with ChatGPT. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll see you next time.